So we are back with another recursion problem. Here we are gonna have to fill this board. So let's start. So we'll fill this board using this function. We'll define this function. Yes. So this has how many rows? This has 9 rows and 9 columns. Correct. This has been given to us. Yes. Now we will traverse all of it. Okay, so when we reach here, we want to fill it with something. So if bold ij is equals to dot, we have to fill it with something which we should be knowing. Like we'll try all of the characters from 0 to like from 0 to 9. Yes. So if it is valid, only then we will fill it. We will define isValid function later on. But if the character is valid on the position, we'll provide the function with the position, the character we are filling, the position, and the board. If it is valid, then we will fill it with the character. So should be that character C. And now we will move next, right? Now we'll call the solve function again, right? Hmm, yes. And then if we are able to solve, we'll have it as a boolean. If we are able to solve, then we will return true. Otherwise, we will return, otherwise we will convert it back to dot, right? And if and that should be it. Now we will define the isValid function, which will take whatever character we have taken, the index and the board, right? Now we want to check if one is valid here. So we will check this column, this row, and yes. So we'll check this column and this row for if the one is correct here. So to check this row first of all, we will keep the I same as it is and we'll traverse, uh, we'll take a k should be 0 to k less than 9, k plus plus if the board of ith row and kth column is equal to that character C, and the uh, and k is not is equals to j, then we can simply return false. Similarly, we will check for the rows. So on the kth row, on the jth column, if it is equal to C and k is not is equals to what? I. Yes, return false. Because on ith, this is also not required by the way. It is fine because we have not set the character on the board yet, right? So we have checked the row column. Now we want to check this. So what row? Which row? Like if we are here, we will divide it by 3 and we will get 0. We'll reach here. So we will move to that initial, and j should be j divided by 3. We'll also multiply by it by 3. So for example, if we are here, suppose, then the in which row we are, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth row we are in. So 4 will be converted to 1 by dividing by 3, and 3 will be our row. So we'll reach over here, and from here we want to traverse every this box for like I less than 4 and row is equals to I row less than I plus 3 row plus plus 4 and column is equals to j column less than j plus 3 and column plus plus. If that board RC is equal to that character C, then we'll return false, otherwise we are going to return true. So yes, I guess this should work. Let's try. Mm, End of declaration. Let's try with integer. Mm, Did you mean equal to? Okay, we have put comma here. That's wrong. Mm, It should be returning something. Let's return true. Okay, we did not return false in any condition. So when should we return false? When this thing, if we are not able to find, like we tried here with 1, but 1 will not be here, right? So we will get some error over here. So here all possibilities won't give correct result. So we should return false if none of the possibilities give the correct result. Still there is something missing. 534 should be here. Okay, the numbers doesn't start from 0, they start from 1. Still there is something wrong. 531 623. 3 appears 2 times. Yeah. So this this logic has some mistake, I guess. Hmm. Okay, so the issue is with this C. So we are using C as character, so we need to give a new definition to this. We'll call it column.